Alright guys, we're starting the day off with Josh's first retail box of 1011 Series 1 he ordered from David Adams Card World. About $30 plus shipping, so kind of cool, so he can crack that open.
Okay, let's get going.
You can open them right out of the box, you're just gonna take them out. Take them out?
Yeah. Please.
Okay, that's good for now. Take the rest of it.
Okay, okay. Okay, first pack. Sticky.
Sticky, or you just started opening packs. Give it to me, give it to me.
Guys, I'm gonna be like this.
Oh my god.
Okay.
That was a nice waste of time at the beginning of the video.
Michael Frolic Retro.
Michael Frolik Retro card. Here, we'll organize them right off the bat. Oh, you did it.
Okay. Base. Gotta love those base packs, eh?
I'll put these bits back so easy.
Oh, Alex. Alex Pont Young Gun.
That's a buzzkill. There's 3 Edmonton Young Guns in this
and
set.
I get that one.
Of course, you got the best one, Alex Pont.
Jeez, I thought that was Everly for a minute.
Yeah, I did too. That's the buzzkill.
Kind of suck, guys, but don't worry.
Oh, let's answer that. Also, you got 2 more boxes left. Just quit fanning them out like that at the beginning.
Oh, Sergei Bobrovsky.
Oh, nice. That's the one you were looking for, too.
That's nice. Nice.
Yeah, I'll put it aside for you. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Keep them like that, and then you fan them out so you can see what you get.
Eric Stahl, Superstar.
Gotta keep the suspense, man. Go Bruins! Sorry, there's a Paille base there.
Gany Dadnoff. Young Gun.
Look of disappointment on his face. Okay, still got 3 more.
Let's go for something
And you
good.
got a jersey. Ooh, Crosby, Gretzky. Ooh.
We got an EA Superstar of Jonathan Toews.
A face. Video is so long for opening the packs. Oh, there's a retro in there, obviously.
Retro of Chris Russell.
Cool.
Retro of Tumo Rutu.
Trying to make it fast. Obviously, we got a lot of videos to go today, so here, go through the base fast.
Yeah. Matidis Niskanen.
Matt Niskanen.
Matt Niskanen. Sorry for my pronunciation.
Yeah, just whip through the base. We don't need to do
Yeah,
this.
Base aren't fun. Should be a young gun, no?
All base?
Base and checklist.
Cool.
Hockey Heroes of Steve Yzerman. HH8.
Cool, second one of the day. Out of the box, though, you should. I think you have one more coming in the box. I'm not sure. Let me look at the back of my box. Oh, crap, okay. Here it is.
Okay.
Yeah, you get 2 per box.
Young Gun TJ Brody.
Cool.
Nice.
Liking this stuff, aren't you? Hey, you got
2 more Young Guns coming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got the Rossi. I know you're looking for a Skinner and a Subban and all that.
Yeah.
So.
Still open. Base.
Toss these wrappers just to the side.
The base? Yeah.
Yeah, it's all base.
Base.
Yeah.
Nice base pack.
Try to not pump it here. When you don't with the wrappers, just throw them to the side so you don't lose. You're not, you don't care about your wrappers like me,
No.
so just throw them. We'll clean them up after.
EA Superstar of Henrik Sedin. And an all-world team of Nicholas Backstrom.
Cool.
2-1. Good one.
Yeah, see, I told you, every retail box has one of those 2-in-1 packs. Have you noticed that?
Mm-hmm. Brian Campbell Retro.
Through the packs, not the base.
All-world team of Jerome Iginla.
Nice. Wow, you still got quite a bit of packs to go. Very pack pretty here. Yeah, just whip through the base.
Stevie Yzerman, Hockey Hero. Use a pack.
Yeah, one pack. Here, pass me. Here you go, buddy.
Thanks. Just a
It's not jersey, dude. Oh, jersey should be one of those last
yeah,
packs.
it should be actually.
It's good at saving it to the end. Oh, I have cards in it, sorry.
Young Gun of Brandon Peary.
Oh, that's your favorite guy. That's your favorite.
Yeah, it is.
The infamous buzzkill of the box. No, that's still Alex Plant. That had to be.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, cool. Adam Oates.
Adam Oates UD game
Nice
jersey.
retro one. Cool.
Pretty nice. Sweet.
Definitely not a bad one to get.
Still looking for one more Young Gun.
That's pretty cool.
Be coming soon.
Jersey feels so weird.
I know, eh?
The swatch. There you go. And one more than 3 packs.
Yep. Young gun of Andrew Bonnerchuk.
Maybe you'll get a retro young gun in the last packs. Who knows? Yeah, 2 left. Still not a bad box. You got Bobrovsky.
Yeah, not
I
bad.
think you get one of the, I guess, upper level young guns in every box. So
Base. And last pack, probably gonna be base as well.
hey, you could get a retro young gun. To your hole.
Checklist. Drew Doughty retro. Not bad.
I got the retro part right.
And that's it, guys. So stay tuned.
For the next videos, we have I've got my lots coming, my box, and a lot of fun for the rest of the day. See you guys.